This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am trying to build up my vibes because let me tell you this, I am not well at all. I have been working back to back and then my body just pop right down. Hi decor stylers, how you do? I hope you're all having a good season so far. Thank you so very much for coming back to the video. I am styling my living room for Christmas. I had alluded to in the last haul. So I'm going to be doing a quick DIY. Here are the things that I'm going to be doing. I'm basically going to be wrapping this picture frame with this brown paper here and embellish it with some ribbons. I wasn't going to be decorating, so a lot of this is really last minute, pulling from things that I do have and just trying as best as possible to use my creativity to just create a nice aesthetic for Christmas. As you can tell, my voice is almost gone. It's very husky at this point. I have been resting for the last 2 days because I've been really sick. I won't be on camera a lot for this video, but as husky as I am, I really wanted to talk about a few things. Not going to be long, I promise you. So this was just a plain wreath. I went ahead and I added this to it and then just add a little burgundy bow to tie in with the theme. The changes that I made in here, as you might have known by now, that bows are really trending this Christmas, and I wanted to do a little bit of the bow trend, not a lot, and then also to mix both burgundy and red in my design. That's what I did. If you look closely, you will see the burgundy elements and then you will see the red elements, but they work seamlessly together in my estimation. Christmas tree in this living room was not featured in this video. I'm not lying to you. This a Christmas tree and nearly mad me. I loaned out my Christmas tree to a collaborator that we did the photo studio, and then I took his tree. So what I had to do basically was just to pull apart the tree and then stack all three pieces like kind of like sideways in order to get a little bit of fullness in there. So I lost some of the height and then the shape, Lord Jesus. All right, now I tie the tree tie up on the grill so that it can stand up straight. So only just understand what I'm going on right now. So, anyways, the piece that really gave me the most excitement for this video is my fireplace that I created. Now guys, if you're interested in seeing how the process of this is, you can follow me on TikTok at the Decor and Lifestyle Center, and it's pretty easy to do. It's made from cardboard. All right, so yeah, you can follow me over there and just see what that process is like, because you can do it too, you know. And then I was very fortunate that I went into the store to find, I was looking for some glue sticks, and when I walk past the aisle, I say, fireplace lantern. I said, hold on there. What's the likelihood of that happening? I wanted a real fireplace light, you know. So we get it there, and it's really cheap. When I run over today, China wholesale. Call it the wood, the chop wood for the fireplace. And let me tell you, I put it in my oven. Because all different kind of critters did in the wood, I'm going to put it in my oven and kill everybody. And then it gave the wood a really nice patina. So, yeah, I'm very happy with my fireplace. The living room look nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It look nice. I like it. It's not a lot. The lamp that you actually see gets featured in here as working on a project, and we're ready for fling out the lamp them. I mean, I know how them end up at my house, and I mean, not even did honestly decide to keep them, but see them here? Well, and it have get featured there now. So guys, I'm gonna be signing out now. Take care and walk good, as I usually say, and make sure you check out the next video. All right, I'm gonna try and do a little decor for the dining table. I'm not going to be dressing it though, but I probably put on a tablecloth and then see, you know, how we can just jazz it up a little bit. So it's not, Christmas in my house is not going to be a lot, okay? But it's happening. All right, you guys, so walk good and take care until the next video. Bye-bye.